There's a disease that's caused by a single mutated gene on the X chromosome. It's called Adrenoleukodystrophy, or ALD. This rare genetic disorder, ALD, has a mysterious nature that affects two crucial parts of our bodies, the nervous system and adrenal glands. But what is the culprit behind this? It's a mutation that leads to abnormalities in something called myelin. Now, you might wonder what myelin is. Well, it's the protective covering of our nerve fibers, like a coat shielding us from the cold. In the case of ALD, this coat is damaged, causing an accumulation of fatty acids in the body. Picture it as a snowball rolling down a hill, gathering more and more snow as it goes. That's how these fatty acids build up in the body, triggering a cascade of problems. ALD may not be well known, but its impact is profound. Diagnosing ALD involves several key steps. It's a bit like being a detective, piecing together different clues to solve a complex puzzle. The first clue comes from blood tests, which check for high levels of very long-chain fatty acids, or VLCFAs. These fatty acids accumulate in the body when ALD is present, so finding them in large amounts can be a strong indication of the disease. Next, we turn to genetic testing. Since ALD is a genetic condition caused by a mutated gene on the X chromosome, identifying this gene can confirm the diagnosis. It's a little bit like finding the culprit in our detective story. But our investigation doesn't stop there. We also use MRI scans to look for changes in the brain's white matter. These changes can provide further evidence of ALD, helping to complete the picture. Finally, we perform adrenal function tests. ALD often affects the adrenal glands, leading to adrenal insufficiency. By checking how well these glands are working, we can gain additional insights into the condition. Early diagnosis is crucial to managing ALD and potentially slowing its progression. It's a challenging journey, but with the right tools and knowledge, we can help those affected navigate the path ahead. So what should you remember about ALD? Adrenoleukodystrophy, or ALD, is a genetic condition that affects both the nervous system and the adrenal glands. It's a complex disease, but at its core, it's caused by a single mutated gene on the X chromosome. This mutation leads to a disruption in the way the body processes certain types of fats, specifically very long-chain fatty acids, or VLCFAs. When the body is unable to properly break down these VLCFAs, they build up in the body, affecting the protective covering of the nerve fibers known as myelin. This accumulation can cause a wide range of symptoms and complications, from adrenal insufficiency to progressive neurological problems. The importance of early diagnosis cannot be overstated. The sooner ALD is detected, the better the potential outcome. Diagnostic tests may include blood tests to detect elevated levels of VLCFAs, genetic testing to identify the mutated gene, and brain imaging to assess the extent of damage to the white matter of the brain. Now, ALD might seem overwhelming, but remember, no one has to face this journey alone. There are resources available to help individuals and families navigate the challenges of ALD. Organizations such as the Global Foundation for Peroxisomal Disorders and the National Organization for Rare Disorders offer a wealth of information, from the latest research to support networks for those affected by ALD. In conclusion, while ALD is a serious and complex condition, advancements in research and a greater understanding of the disease are providing hope for those affected. It's a reminder of the power of knowledge and the importance of awareness. With knowledge and awareness, we can make a difference in the lives of those affected by ALD. Like, share, comment, and subscribe.